Hemoglobin and hematocrit determination experiment. In this chapter, you will be able to elucidate the hematocrit and hemoglobin of a blood sample, and you also have a further experience in learning on how hemoglobin can be determined by electrophoresis. Direct method for hematocrit determination. In order to determine hematocrit by a direct method, you receive an unknown blood in a collection tube coated with anticoagulation agents from the hospital, a pair of capillary tubes, and an oil-based clay in a flat tub. In water mix the unknown blood sample and tilt the collection tube to get through the blood easily. Fill capillary tubes with the blood up to 3/4 in both of the tubes. Seal the end of the tube with the oil-based clay by pressing the tube into the top and allow the clay to plug in for about a half centimeters in its length. Place the filled capillary tubes in the Microhaematocrit centrifuge in the opposite position to each other, and the clay plug tips orients away from the rotating core. Tightly close the lid of the centrifuge and spin for 3 minutes. Determine the sponge tubes by which the total length of the blood is assigned as B and the length of the red pack is assigned as A. Therefore, the percent of hematocrit is equal to A divided by B and multiplied by 100. Hemoglobin determination by cyanmethemoglobin methods. To determine the level of hemoglobin, cyanmethemoglobin is chosen in this experiment. You receive an unknown blood in a collection tube coated with anticoagulation agents from the hospital. 2 test tubes containing 5 ml of Drapkin solution. Pipette 20 microliters of the blood unknown sample into a tube with 5 ml of Drapkin solution. Beware of the excessive blood stick outside the tip. Cap the tubes with paraffin and inverted mix. Leave the tube standing in room temperature for 10 minutes. Pour the mixture into cuvettes. Determine the absorbance of 540 nanometers using pure Drapkin solution for setting 0. Record the absorbance. Deduce the level of hemoglobin from the provided standard curve and record the results. When you have all levels of hematocrit and hemoglobin in the unknown blood sample, compare the value with the normal range. Finally, hypothesize whether all the results are the likelihood of which of the cases reported in your laboratory manual. That's all.